All right, so like we've done in the past, we're going to go to Photopea or Photopea, however you want to pronounce that. And we're going to, this is probably going to keep popping up. I'm just going to hit cancel on that for now. We're going to go ahead and open up our picture, and I'm going to provide both of the photos that we're going to use for today's project to you. Okay, so I have a lot going on here, so you guys can ignore this part. We're going to open up the peace sign first. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to learn how to remove a background on a photo to turn it into a PNG, or also known as a transparent image. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our quick select. Quick selection here is going to be your fourth one down. You're going to right click and you can do quick selection. Move your mouse. Now you can make it a little bigger if you need to. It's up to you depending on the size of the photo. When you click here, it's going to try and guess what it needs to grab. So this is actually a really poor example of what it's supposed to do. It kind of just about grabbed everything. And that's a possibility that could happen. I'm going to Control D to get rid of that. And I'm going to do it differently. We're going to go to Select, Color Range, and I'm going to click on the white. I'm going to hit OK. So now it has everything that's white. I'm going to hit delete on the keyboard, and now everything is transparent. You're going to see those checkers. Control D is going to deselect what was selected, so in this case the white, and now you're good enough to just go in and go File, and you're going to choose Export As, and it's important that you choose a PNG. If you choose a JPEG or pretty much any of the rest of these, you're going to get that white background back. Okay, we're going to hit Save, and it's just going to drop down here for you. It's going to go to your drive. Now I want to show you the difference between this being a PNG and this being a JPEG. I'm going to go ahead and open up Publisher. I know you guys won't have that on your Chromebooks, but I think it's still really good to show you how to use it, and I will do a tutorial on this later. For now, I'm just inserting into images. So we're going to go to Insert up at the top and go to Pictures, and I'm going to, from where I saved those photos, get you the pictures. Now, right now, they don't look any different, right? This is actually the original with the white background, and this is the edited one with the transparent background. You can't tell a difference. The reason why you can't tell a difference is because we have white paper as our background. Now, if we were to go up and insert in a shape, so I'm just going to choose a rectangle for now and draw it up. It defaults to this blue color, so don't worry about this point right now. I want to show you the difference that a PNG is going to make versus the JPEG. So obviously we have a nice clear transparent background here. We can see the color behind it. This one we have a white square. This is the importance of learning how to make a PNG or a transparent image. This will help you on a lot of projects. If you're going to make your flyer, which you'll do later in the semester, if you're trying to do anything to overlap, then you're going to want to have it to be transparent as well. So this is super important, I think, and a really good skill to learn how to use.